Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to remember the whole periodic table by the help of tricks or mnemonics, or you can say phrases. We'll also learn the general electron configurations of sp, d and a blocks, exceptional cases of electron configuration and metalloids in the periodic table. Towards the left side of metalloids you'll find metals, and towards right of the metalloids you'll find non-metals. You know, periodic table is divided into 4 blocks, S, P, D and F. It has 7 periods and 18 groups. You see the format of the periodic table is drawn on the screen. You know, the elements of group 1 are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. The trick or mnemonics or the phrase is: he likes naving, kings, robust, crazy friends. Or you can say either likes naving, kings, robust, curious friends. Any trick you can follow, no problem. The elements of group 2 are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These elements can be remembered by a trick or phrase or a mnemonic as shown on the screen. Barry Magnus caught straight ball rapidly, or you can say Brett McGrath caught straight ball rapidly. Let us remember the 3D series in the middle. The elements in the 3D series are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. And these 10 elements can be remembered by a trick. School teenagers, very curious man. For cold drinks, nuggets, coming zillfully. For cold drinks, nuggets, coming zillfully. Elements of group 3 are scandium, yttrium, lanthanum and actinium. These 4 elements can be remembered by the phrase or mnemonics or trick for group 3 is school yard loves all, or you can follow another trick, scan your laughing action. Group 4 elements are titanium, zirconium, hafnium and rutherfordium. These elements can be remembered by the following trick or mnemonics, or you can say the phrase: teenagers zeal half redefined, or you can follow another trick, teacher half rough. Group 5 elements are vanadium, niobium, tantalum, very nimble tall man dills, or you can say very nimble tall man disturbs. The elements of group 5 are vanadium, niobium, tantalum, dubnium. Niobium was earlier known as columbium with symbol Cb. Now it is niobium, the symbol is Nb. Group 6 elements are chromium, molybdenum, tungsten and Seaborgium or Seaborgium, you can say. The trick or mnemonic or the phrase can be used to remember these group 6 elements is curious mob will shout, or you can remember these elements by the help of another mnemonics, crazy monkey on the wall for sea grapes. The elements of group 7 are manganese, technetium, rhenium and borium. Trick is man takes rest in Bahrain. Elements of group 7 are manganese, technetium, rhenium and borium. The mnemonics or the trick for group 7 elements are: man teaches reputed Bose model, or you can say man takes rest in Bhilai, or you can say man takes rest in Bahrain, or you can say monkeys take rest in Bhitarkanika. You know, Bhitarkanika is famous for crocodiles. Next, group 8. For recreation, OSMI helps. The elements are iron, ruthenium, osmium and hassium. Then group 9 elements: cobalt, rhodium, iridium, meitnerium. The mnemonic or the trick or the phrase for group 9 elements is: cold drinks rolls in morning tiffins. The elements of group 10 are nickel, palladium, platinum, darmstadium, Ni, Pd, Pt, Ds. Nuggets, pudding, potato chips are Dad's favorite. Nuggets, pudding, potato chips are Dad's favorites. Nuggets, pudding, potato chips, Dad's favorites. Then group 11, the elements are copper, silver, gold and rhenium. Come again and run. Come again and run. Group 11, come again and run. Group 12 elements are zinc, cadmium, mercury and copernicium. Group 12 elements are zinc, cadmium, mercury and copernicium. The trick to remember group 12 elements: skillfully controlled Hughes crane. Group 13 elements are boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium and neonium. The symbol of neonium is NH, and the trick is: bring all goods in trolley now. Group 14 elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, then ferrovium, Fl. The trick is carrying Sylvester, a genuine screenwriter, producer and film actor. The elements of group 15 are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth and moscovium, Mc. That is on pentium. Atomic number of moscovium is 115. The symbol of Mc is also UUP, that is IPSC symbol. And the trick is: not possible as somebody broke down the machine, or you can say not possible as somebody broke down machine. Elements of group 16 are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, then livermorium, Lv, that is anon, hexium, UUH, atomic number of unknown hexium is 116, that is livermorium. The trick to remember group 16 elements are: okay, should see, tell people loudly. Next, group 17 elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, tennessine, TS. Trick for group 17 elements is: fluorine, chlorine brought ice cream and toast. Fluorine, chlorine brought ice cream and toast. Then the last group of predictable, group 18. These elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and oganesson. Trick to remember group 18 elements is helping news anchor keeping xenon really omniscient. Trick to remember lanthanides present in F block and 4F series is Carey Price, New, Peacemakers, Summer, Eddie, Goodman, team duos having enough talent, youthfulness, Carey Price, New, Peacemakers, Summer, Eddie Goodman, team duos having enough talent, youthfulness, loudly. The elements are cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. Then trick to remember actinides from F block present in 5F series is thanks paparazzi, UN, Pluto are coming back, carefully escorting me from most notorious lions. The elements are thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelium, nobelium, lawrencium. This periodic table is known as long form of periodic table, divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and A block. D block is present between S and P. Hydrogen is a S block element, or you can say lithium is a S block element because its last electron enters in S subcell. You know lithium, its atomic number is 3, its configuration is 1s2 2s1. Last electron of lithium enters in S subcell, so lithium is a S block element. In case of D block, the last electron enters in n-1 D subcell, or you can say D subcell of penultimate cell. So these are called D block elements. You can take the example copper. In case of copper, the electron configuration is argon at the core, then 4s1 3d10. The last electron of copper enters in 4-1, that is 3d, or you can say n-1d or D subcell of penultimate cell. So copper is a D block element. In case of F, the last electron enters in n-2 F subcell, or you can say F subcell of an anti-penultimate cell, n-2 F subcell. You can take the example of gadolinium. Its atomic number is 64. Its configuration is 6s2 5d1. 4f7. You see last electron enters in 6 minus 2f, or you can say 4f. 6 minus 2f means 4f, that is anti-penultimate cell. So last electron in F enters in F subcell of anti-penultimate cell. So there are 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and A block. In S block you will find 2 groups, in D block you will find 10 groups, in P block you will find 6 groups. In A block you will find 2 series, lanthanoids and actinoids. The general configuration of S block is ns1-2. For D it is ns0-1-2 n-1 D 1 to 10, 0 for palladium, 1 for chromium, copper, niobium, molybdenum, ruthenium, rhodium, silver, platinum, gold and rhodium. 0 is for palladium. And for rest D block elements, that is present, those are present in D block having ns2 configuration. Palladium is the only element. In that case you will find the configuration is 5s0 4d10. 2 electrons from 5s jump to 4d. And in case of chromium, copper, niobium, molybdenum, ruthenium, rhodium, silver, platinum, gold and rhodium have ns1 configuration. So how many elements having ns1 configuration? You can calculate over here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total number of exceptional cases are 11, including palladium. Next, in case of P, the general configuration is ns2 np1 to 6, because there are 6 groups. As you know, P subcell can accommodate 6 electrons, so there are 6 groups. And the general configuration of A block is ns2 n-1 D 0-1-2 n-2 F 1 to 14, or you can say ns2 n-1 D 0-1-2 n-2 F 0 to 14, because in case of thorium there are no 5f electrons. One 5f electron jump to 6d, so 6d becomes 6d2, and its configuration is 7s2 6d2 5f 0. In case of lanthanoids, cerium, gadolinium and lutetium, these 3 elements have n-1 D1 configuration, and rest elements have ns2 n-1 D0 n-2 F 1 to 14. Cerium, gadolinium and lutetium has ns2 n-1 D1 n-2 F 1 to 14, or you can say 6s2 5d1 4f 1 to 14. The elements having ns2 n-1 D1 n-2 F 0 to 14 configuration in actinides are Pa, U, Np, Cm and lawrencium. Protect your neighbor coming late. Protactinium, uranium, neptunium, curium and lawrencium having ns2 n-1 D 1 n-2 F 0 to 14 configuration. 0 in F is for only thorium. So the general configuration of F block is ns2 n-1 D 0-1-2 n-2 F 1 to 14. You can write it as 0 to 14. 0 for thorium. In case of F, 0 is for thorium. N-1D1 for cerium, gadolinium and lutetium. The trick is Seri, good luck. And in actinides, N-1D1 is for protactinium, uranium, neptunium, curium and lawrencium. And the trick is protect your neighbor coming late. Thorium has NS2, N-1D2, N-2F0 because one F electron from N-2F has jumped to N-1D, so it becomes N-1D2, or you can say 7S2, 6D2, 5F0. So there are 28 elements in F block having N-1 elements having N-1D1 are 8 in number. In lanthanides you will find 3 elements, cerium, gadolinium, lutetium. In actinides you will find 5 elements, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, curium and lawrencium. And thorium has no 5F electrons, but it is present in actinides. The 5F electron present in 5F jump to 6D. So 6D becomes 6D2. So this is about electron configuration of predictable general electron configuration. This is about the general electron configuration of predictable. Then you see these elements are metalloids. In the left of the metalloids you will find metals. To the right of the metalloids you will find non-metals. S block and P block elements are normal or representative elements, or you can say main group elements. D block except group 12, zinc, cadmium, mercury and copernicium are transition elements because their properties are lying between S and P block. S block elements are highly electropositive and P block elements are electronegative elements. Lanthanides and actinides are from D block and written at the bottom. Particularly lanthanides are from 6th period and 3rd group, that is after lanthanum. You see in 6th period and 3rd group lanthanum is there, its atomic number is 57. After 57 you will find 72. So between 57 and 72 you will find 58 to 71, 14 elements are written at the bottom. Those are known as lanthanides because they have some resemblance with lanthanum, and those 14 elements are known as inner transition elements. Similarly, another 14 inner transition elements are written below lanthanides, and those 14 elements are known as actinides because those 14 elements resemble the element present in 7th period and 3rd group, that is actinium. Its atomic number is 89. You see after 89 you will find 104. So between 89 and 104 you will find 14 elements from atomic number 90 to 103 are placed at the bottom of the predictable known as actinoids. These are also known as inner transition elements. So there are 28 inner transition elements. Why do we call them inner transition elements? Because lanthanum and actinium are present in D block and are transition elements. As you have removed these 28 elements, lanthanides and actinides, from 3rd and 4th transition series, so these are known as inner transition elements. And the elements after 104 are known as transactinide elements or heavier elements, mostly synthetic elements. You see rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium or seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, then darmstadtium, DS, atomic number 110, then rhodium, atomic number 111, UUU, copernicium, then neonium, its atomic number is 113, and this is UUT. Then flerovium, it is UUQ, unknown quadium. Then unknown pentium, that is moscovium, MC. Then 116 livermorium, unknown hexium, UUH. Then unknown septium, that is tennessine, TS. Then last one is unknown octium, that is oganescent, and its atomic number is 118. This is UUO. Thank you for watching the video till then. Hope this video will help you a lot. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.